The Phantom is the ultimate lightweight carabiner. The I-beam construction makes it ultralight and strong, ideal for trad racks. At just 26 grams, the Phantom is perfect for lightening your climbing rack. While other companies compromise strength for weight savings, the Phantom is rated 23 kilonewtons when closed and 9 kilonewtons when open. The unique recesses seat both gear and ropes correctly. The Phantom gate has been made extra light. Its subtle bends and intricate shape give a higher even tension so that it's more resistant to accidental opening, increasing your safety. The gate notch is smaller to minimise snagging, which could cause cross-loading. The steep angle of the top bar directs loading into the back bar. This ensures the Phantom loads through its strongest axis, once again increasing safety. Every Phantom is anodised to resist corrosion. Coloured anodised packs allow quick gear selection. Quick draws come with 8mm webbing and are available in 3 sizes.